Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm teaching you how to fill up a Zippo lighter. So, it has flint in it and everything, but what you're gonna need to do is pull this out of there, and with the Zippo lighter fluid, kind of get your finger over there and get that nozzle up like that. And on the bottom of this Zippo lighter, you just soak this. Soak that. Put this back in there, like so. And now, we'll soak some more in there. Soak some more in there. It might take a while for it to reach the... This is a brand new one. Okay. Let's see if that reaches it. There it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and FYI, these lighter fluid and this lighter are both made in America. So, yeah, we appreciate you watching though.